Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, first of all, thank you so much for all the lovely wishes. I receive many emails, messages, comments, and it really gives some meaning to my life. Okay, thank you so much for all the love and support. And this is the chart of gold, and finally we can see that gold is trading above 2700. So this is the current situation of gold, and gold is more or less bullish right now, or very much bullish. Okay, if we look at the economic calendar, we can see today we have news coming up during the US session, but it's not a major event like building permits, housing starts. So this should not bring any volatility to the market, but we should also not forget that today is Friday. As Friday, and Fridays can be dangerous. We have seen earlier also sometimes market behaves abnormally. There is no logic in the market. So if today also market shows a crazy picture, then stop trading and just close the charts, shut down your laptop and wait for the upcoming week. Because as a trader, you don't need to trade on each and every session, each and every day. You should also learn to protect your profits also. And if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold holds near 1 month high. Recent US economic data, including cooler than expected core inflation, inflation was cooler than expected, and retail sales data was a little bit disappointing. Okay, they have lost the high hopes that there will be more than one rate cut, and this is another reason why there is also pressure on the chart of gold. So, cooler than expected data, inflation report, then retail sales disappointment. Okay, all this brought pressure on the chart of DXY, and this is another reason why we can see upside on the chart of gold. Okay, you can see gold steady supported by Fed rate cut prospects. Yes, market is expecting more than one rate cut in 2025, and this is the reason why we can see gold is going up. So if market doesn't get crazy during the US session, this is a bullish market. So if you have any buy right now, suppose you have been holding a buy position as a swing trader, hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2700. Okay, and if you're looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously respecting the ongoing trend of the market, respecting the ongoing market sentiment, it will be better and safer for us to look for buy at retracement or buy at dip. Okay, and in this case we can see we have two levels on the chart right now. The first level is 2700. Why we are considering 2700? Because 2700, 2698, this particular area is the first support for the market. 2700 is a round number psychological level, and the second support on the chart of gold will be around 2692 to 2690. So these are the two levels on the chart of gold where we can look for a buy position if market comes for retracement. In case market surprises us with big red candles without any news, then it will just be a technical corrections. Keep in mind, technical corrections are not permanent. After 1 day, 2 days, again market will continue the overall trend, and right now we can see the overall trend is bullish. Okay, so if you see that there is a sudden selling pressure in the market, then obviously you should forget about buy at support. Okay, in that case you can take a sell below 2713, sorry, 2713 area. Once market will break this level, oh sorry, not 2713, 2709. Once market will break this particular low here, you can look for a sell in case there is a sudden selling pressure. Okay, so volume of the market will be important. This particular levels of 2700, 2692 will only work when there will be normal volatility in the market, or the size of the candles will be normal like this. If you see candles like this, then only expect the market to take support. If you see this type of candles, 2-3 candles like big red candles, then obviously you need to use a common sense, because no level is permanent in the market. And if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously buy at breakout, okay, is the only option. In this case we can look for a buy above 2727. But before the US session, if you see that gold is going up, then there's a high chance that after 40-50 pips or one market will hit 2730, 2732 area, there will be a reversal again. because for any breakout, volume is extremely important, and right now we can clearly see that volume is missing. So during the US session, if market breaks 2727, then we can look for a buy at breakout. But otherwise, if market breaks 2727 with candles like this, then please do not trust it. Okay, what you can do is you can wait for the market to come down, because no market will go up in a straight line, no market will come down in a straight line. So after the breakout, when 2727, 2728, this particular area will be the new support. Yes, this will be the new support. Then you can buy. Yesterday also market broke 2700. After some time, what happened? 2700 became the new support. So right now, if market breaks 2727 with 2727 with low volume, just okay, do not buy. Okay, if you see size of the candles are not convincing, do not buy. Wait for the market to take support, because after 40-50 pips market, when market come down, then the 2727 area will be the new support. But during the US session, if you see that there is a big green candle, market is suddenly bullish, market is full of surprises. After all, market surprise dete rehta hai. Okay, so if market surprises us with sudden volume, then you can look for a buy. Otherwise, do not buy. See, market is subjective. Okay, there is no such thing as absolute in the market. That's why trading is so difficult. So let me wrap it up once. So right now we can clearly see the market is technically bullish, and if you look at the market sentiment wise also more or less bullish right now, because gold, okay, the market is expecting more than one rate cut in this year. And if you have any ongoing buy right now, you can hold your buy position, and if you're looking for a fresh position in the market, it will be better for us to buy at retracement or buy at dip only. So if market comes down to 2700, 269092 area, we can look for a buy position, because in trending markets, price action levels, okay, they do a fine job. 2700, 269092, the both the levels seems to be good. But in case market surprises us with a big selling pressure, forget about buy and support. You can also skip the day. Okay, and if you want to trade, you can look for a sell below 2709 if there is a sudden selling pressure. That's optional totally. And on the other hand, if market doesn't come for retracement, either market will come for retracement or market will doesn't come for retracement. If market doesn't come for retracement, then market will be going up, isn't it? In that case, we can look for a buy above 2727. But here again, volume will play an important role, because for the success of any breakout, किसी भी successful breakout के लिए volume is extremely important. If there is no volume, breakout will fail. It will be a false breakout. So before US session, if you see gold going up, okay, with candles like this, then obviously avoid. Wait for 2727 to become the new support. When it will be the new support for the market after retracement, then you can buy. During the US session, if there is a sudden buying power, then you can buy and break out. If there's a sudden accident in the market, if there's a sudden selling pressure in the market, and if both the levels failed, I think 2680 or 2678, okay, this also can be a support. But at this moment when I'm recording the video, chances of market coming down to this level of 2678, 2680 is very less. So let's not discuss about this. Okay, let's focus on this particular portion of the market only. And if you're holding a buy, you can hold your buy position as long as gold is trading above 2700. Okay, and be careful during the US session. If you see the market has gone crazy, just wait for the market to open on Monday. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.